So we were supposed to go to this place, Ito Ramen, but it is Ito closed. So we're gonna walk around in Japantown. So first thing I want to say is konnichiwa, me brethren, and yeah, let's just kind of see. Feeling very Japanese in this area of Japantown. There's a pizza 4 Ps, traditional Japanese Italian pizza. Seems like all the Japanese places are closed. Maybe in Japan it's a different time right now, I don't know. Be my, that's Vietnamese food. Pizza 4 Ps, that's good food, but that's not the kind of food we want to eat right now. We want something ramen, something sushi, some raw fish or something like that. I think he's speaking the language. That didn't sound like Vietnamese, that sounded like Japanese or some other sort of Asian language. Japanese wellness. That's weird. It seems like all the Japanese places are closed, huh? I think we'll be able to find something. More banchan looks like. Gỏi cuốn. There's stuff down that alley, maybe. Some spas. You want to try going down like one of these alleys? Yeah. See what they have? Be careful. I see a Toyota. It's a Japanese car, so maybe we're getting closer to the Japanese food. I see like a ball thing. Japanese type of ball. Cheese coffee. Doesn't sound like the most pleasant combination. That looks like a Japanese restaurant. Kakigori. Otome. Ooh, this is just interesting. I didn't even know all this existed back here. I don't know. Let's try the other alley real quick, and if that doesn't work, maybe we'll see that Otome place. Or not Otome. That's the girls bar. What is that? Is that a bar only for girls? I don't know. What do you... Only girls allowed? Right over here? This alley real quick. I also see something over there, but let's just check this alley. Do our due diligence. Not gonna lie, that ice cream's looking pretty tasty. It's a really hot day, guys. It's gotta be in the 30s. See, look at, they're enjoying some ice cream. It's tantalizing. Well, I think doesn't seem to be much going on in this alley besides construction. I wonder if this Japantown maybe is more lively at night. Maybe more of the Japanese restaurants are open then. What's your favorite kind of Japanese food? What's your favorite sashimi? What kind of fish?
Tuna is a good thing.
I like tuna as well. It's my favorite. One more place. So we have that option of that thing in that.
Dessert. What you call as dessert.
Just dessert?
Yeah, like mince pies or whatever.
Ah, okay. Interesting. Korean food. Wow. It's almost bizarre how closed everything is. What about this? That or Sushi World.
Or some sort of like ramen.
You want to see if they have ramen at this place? Over this one? You want to check the menu? Or did you see it? It wasn't ramen.
I didn't know.
We're keeping the exploration going, discovering more of Vietnamese Japantown. I heard some soothing like Japanese music. It was like which was helping me kind of calm down a little bit and just kind of de-stress. Is there ramen in there? It just looks closed. So this whole street is Thanh Ton Street. And I think the further we go here, it's just massage parlors, but I don't know. Oh, no, thank you. Here's like, I don't know, thingies. Maybe there's something in there. What's this?
Noodle.
Did we find something? Choi oi noodle. Is this what you want?
Yeah, they seem to have lots of noodles.
Yeah, ramen.
Yeah. Okay.
Should we eat here?
Yeah, I guess so.
Why not?
Or do you want to explore more?
Well, let's walk around just a little bit, I guess. But that's a good. Let's come back there. Ooh. Suspicious. These alleys seem like never ending almost. All the different, looks like just bars all the way down there. I say let's just go get some food in there, yeah? Alright, let's do it. Whew. What is in there? You want to ask to see the menu, or you just want to go in the choi oi noodle? Noodle? Let's do it.
I don't think they're open.
Maybe they're not open. Okay. I think they'd be more like adamant about opening the door if they were open. All right, let's go in here. Hello, hi. After you. Thank you. Hello. Hello.